So here's the thing. When I was a kid, I used to ride skateboards all the time, cruising around the neighborhood, doing tricks in the driveways and all that kind of cool stuff. I used to fall and get right back up. But the thing is, I'm not a kid anymore. Also, I don't ride skateboards anymore. So what was I doing at 35, thinking to myself, this will be fun. Now let me paint the picture for you. Here's what happened. I was doing some player portraits early in the morning over at Wheatsworth Field. A buddy of mine came to sleep over for the night, so he was helping me at the field. We were taking some pictures, all good, happy as can be. Trying to make something out of this.
It's a cute little flower.
Okay. People interrupted. That part out.
You know? And maybe you could just this way.
Thank you. Says fast speed on the bottom. All right, thank you, Sandy and Angelica, for this little skateboard. What are friends for, right? Friggin' jerks. Yeah, we were at the field taking pictures, happy as can be. Got a bunch of great photos of all the kids. They look really nice. And we went home. And my wife was supposed to make breakfast, incidentally. She said, I'm gonna make breakfast in the morning. Because Aldo slept up, my buddy Aldo, he slept over with his wife and kids. And apparently the kids all woke up and had breakfast, so my wife didn't make breakfast. So I got home and I was like, I got an idea. I'll go pick up some breakfast. I'll go get some bagels. So we ordered some bagels, and me and Aldo was like, why don't we, cruise down there on the skateboard? He was gonna ride my son's electric scooter. It's gonna be a fun hang, like back when we were kids, And I said to him, I don't really want to put on my helmet to go to the bagel store. Just because this thing is so aggressive. The cool helmet, very safe. Look at this thing, But of course, I said to myself, I'm gonna walk into this bagel store, this bagel shop, with this huge helmet and a skateboard. Silly, people are gonna look at me like I'm a dork, In hindsight, I should have worn the helmet. Obviously, you should always wear your helmet. Ironically, yesterday, while this was happening, I was expecting a delivery for like these heavy duty elbow pads and knee pads and gloves and all this stuff, like fully decked out for safety, But again, I said, I don't want to look silly, so I'm just not going to wear my helmet. Here we are. So let me paint the picture for you. There I am, cruising on my skateboard, happy as can be, so gleeful, just thinking about cream cheese. And the next second, I'm face planted on the driveway. Shout out to the guy that pulled over when it happened. I didn't even get his name. It was some guy in a pickup truck. He pulled over when he saw me fall, and he got a first aid kit. He bandaged me up real quick. He called 911. So shout out to that guy. He's a pretty cool guy. Shout out to Aldo, for panicking with me. I needed someone there to panic with me. Yeah, I got in the ambulance. We took a long ride, longer than it should have been from my point of view. Now here I am, the main character of this hospital visit, which is not fun. Honestly, this is so annoying. It feels so stupid right now.
No.
I fucking hate this.
Yeah, it sucks, dude.
Like, this is just such a nuisance. I got all these doctors and nurses all like, so what happened? I'm bandaged up, I'm bleeding, my arm is in a, what do you call that? A splint or whatever. It looks crazy. My whole body is reacting so dramatically to this entire situation. And I have to look at these doctors in the face and go, I fell off a skateboard, which is so dumb. Just the worst way to go out, dude. I kind of want to just tell everybody I got mauled by a bear. It sounds so much less dumb.
Oh my god. Wait, I can't, is that all my... bro. It's swollen.
The whole thing?
Yes. I told you, you're gonna look like Hitch for like a day or two.
Oh no, babe. I don't like that.
Right? Well, maybe wear your helmet next time. You're fine. We're going through the motions right now. The swelling is gonna happen, and then it's gonna go down.
That was the morphine right there? Oh.
You'll start blending in like 12 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fell all about her body.
There you go.
Holy shit.
Because then,
Yeah, no, he's good.
then you won't feel this as much.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, it's done. There we go.
Oh my God, that's such a big needle. Oh.
A lot of tattoos does the
He's
same thing.
crying over the needle right now.
That was crazy. I didn't feel that needle at all. I'm about to get some ketamine. What a cocktail. Morphine and ketamine. Call Megan. Oh. 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 They put me on ketamine to put my arm back in place, which was so crazy.
So this is checking your blood pressure right now. It's squeezing that arm. So let this rest.
Ah, pain.
Okay.
That's the wrong arm.
No, the other arm pain.
Oh.
So let this arm rest so we can get a correct blood pressure. Okay. The blood's gotta just flow this way, not with your hand up in the air. You can relax it if you can.
I can't. What is doing? It's I promise you, I'm trying to be chill right now. I cannot be chill right now.
Okay.
My hand is
just
not.
when we're checking your blood pressure, this one. That's all.
I promise you, I'm trying to be chill right now.
Okay.
I can't even see you right now.
I believe you.
Is there something coming out of my nose?
There is something coming out of your nose.
Fuck, this is crazy, dude.
You have a nasal cannula on your.
Oh, what?
It's a nasal cannula. It's giving you some oxygen, and we're also checking your CO2.
But it's also not in your nose because you keep moving.
Stay still, okay? Fix it a little bit. There you go.
Oh, there we
Okay.
go.
Honestly, it's the craziest thing I've ever experienced.
Oh my God! What? What? Did you go? What?
I didn't say anything.
I don't know what is happening. Why are drugs so crazy?
Try to help you not feel so much pain.
But did they fix my arm?
They took it off.
No. Careful, come on. Did they fix it?
Check your arm. How many arms do you have?
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck, those YouTube videos make so much sense. I'm the guy.
But they did that to put my arm back in place. So let me run down the damage for you. I didn't break anything, luckily. I dislocated my elbow, which sucks, you know. It's very painful. And I got a couple of stitches on the side of my face. I got some facial lacerations, if you can see that there. I got some stitches. I can't see out of this eye right now, but I got some stitches on the eyebrow up here somewhere and on the side of my face there. They said I was missing a chunk of skin. So it's kind of tricky because they said there was nothing to really stitch. It was just a chunk of skin missing. So I'm sure it's going to leave a cool scar. Keep looking over there because I can see myself over there. But yeah, my eye's swollen shut. That's, you know, not great, I suppose, but it's fine. Actually, shout out to Meta Ray-Bans. Where are my glasses? My unfortunate glasses. Hold on a second. Shout out to my Metas because I don't think you'll be able to see this right here, but it looks like that's where the impact happened on the side of my face. And I think it seems like the glasses might have absorbed some of that. It seems like maybe they absorbed some of that initial kind of impact, which might have been a good thing for my face considering how jacked up it is as it is, you know. But it just sucks that now I don't have my Meta Ray-Bans. I was recording when it happened, but obviously considering they're broken now, there's no video. So that's a bummer. I mean, hey, Meta, if you're watching, you know, I'm just saying, you know, maybe send me a new pair. That'd be pretty cool, guys. Please, pretty please, you know. Whatever. You're not watching. It's fine. I guess I just won't have my metas, but it sucks. It's so sad. I love these glasses, man. Such a bummer, dude. You know, they might have saved my face, or rather what's left of it. So shout out to Ray-Ban Metas for that. I had all that, you know, jacked up with me. In the hospital, they put me on a bunch of cool stuff to make me not feel as much pain. I don't remember a whole lot of it really, but they set my arm back in place. They stitched me up, and they were like, they pretty much said I was good to go, I guess. You know, I gotta follow up and get an MRI, make sure there's no like nerve damage, I guess, in my arm. It still hurts pretty bad. I can't move it much. I can move my hand and stuff, but it's in a sling. So it is what it is, but I'm in good spirits. I'm chilling. I just figured I'd make a quick video, let everybody know what's going on, because everybody knows what happened, kind of, but if anybody asks, just tell them I got mauled by a bear, guys. I'd really appreciate that. Because this skateboard story, it's not cutting it. Now, the moral of the story is act your age, or at least wear a helmet. I might wear a helmet just to go to bed at this point, honestly. Because the one thing that I learned from all this right here is that gravity is undefeated, dude. Sheesh. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know, hit the like button. Maybe consider subscribing, drop a comment, and wear your helmets, guys. Trust me. Even if you're just gonna go get bagels, just put it on. Hey, just a quick update. Been 2 days since I fell. It's Monday now. I'm stuck at home. Unfortunately, I can't go to work for obvious reasons. My eye is starting to open back up again, but my face is pretty swollen, so there's that. My hand is feeling better, actually. Check it out. I definitely still feel some pain, but I can move it. I've got more strength in it now. I'm still waiting on an MRI. I gotta wait a couple of days before they can see me. But, you know, I'm hanging in there, hanging out, I guess, just trying to get some rest. And, you know, luckily my eye's doing better. That was kind of a weird feeling. In case anybody was wondering, my wife did pick up those bagels that I couldn't get. I had them for breakfast the next morning. So shout out to Hamburg Hot Bagels, best bagels in town, you know? Shout out to everyone who reached out. I really appreciate that, guys. I know I didn't get back to a lot of you, but you know, I had one eye and one hand to type. So I hope this video filled you in if anybody was concerned, but I'm okay. Shout out to my wife also, who's been very, very loving and just nice, you know, which I really need just some TLC right now. Not to be a baby about it, but you know, she helped me out with everything because I'm a big baby, you know, and I wouldn't have made it through the hospital process on my own. And also not to harp on it, but you know, just think about it. Meta, I really like these glasses, and I'm kind of broke right now considering I can't work. So I'm just saying, you know, just one pair. Doesn't even have to be the new pair, just the old one. Come on. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys since I was putting the video together, I guess, trying to stay a little occupied. And I figured my eyes opening up, so I'd let you know that's going on. That's about it, I suppose. Just remember, guys, wear your helmets, stay safe. And I don't want to throw any shade on electric skateboards or skateboarding in general. You know, it's just not for me anymore. When I was a kid, I loved it, and I didn't do it for a long time. And maybe I thought I could just get right back into it, but there's a learning curve that I didn't consider when getting back on it, maybe. So it happens. That being said, I'm gonna go make some coffee and I don't know, hang out, I guess. Peace out, guys. Stay safe.